All right, wordsmiths, what's up? The word of the day today is regulate. It means to make rules that control something. I'll throw in a 10-second music break. Tell me if you can identify any other common English words that start with reg. All right, here we go. Music break. All right, so some related words are regular, regiment, regime. All of these words are related to control or order. Regulate comes from the Latin root reg, meaning straight, like a ruler. Something that's regular follows a rule or a pattern. It's predictable. So something that is regulated has been controlled by a rule. That's what that ate part means. It's a word part that makes verbs, because regulate is a verb. It's an action word. So let's use regulate in some sentences. You can use it in a literal sense, like this valve regulates how much fuel goes into the engine. It is literally controlling the rate of fuel release. But you can also use regulate to refer to lawmaking. And I can use another word part to make this verb into a noun. So we've got the word regulate, and let me lop off the E on the end and add I-O-N, and now it's a noun. Regulation, another word for a legal rule. State regulations only allow you to catch 3 fish a week. So here's 2 fisher folk. Doot, doot. This woman has 3 fish, so she's fine. This man has 4 fish, so he's probably going to get a fine from Fish and Wildlife because he didn't adhere to the regulations. Sorry, pal, you've been canceled by the government. All right, you can learn anything. David out.